The Ford Explorer has been unveiled and has attracted countless attention by making a splash in the automotive industry like a blockbuster. The exterior design of the new Explorer is unique and attractive, reflecting an unprecedented hardcore style. Its overall shape is solid and magnificent, full of power, like a beast ready to gallop onto the road at any moment. The front face design is particularly striking. The new headlight group integrates with the C-shaped daytime running lights like sharp eyes, instantly increasing the recognition of the vehicle. This unique design gives the front face a strong sense of aggression, while declaring its unbridled off-road spirit. The side of the car is equally interesting. The smooth and strong lines outline a unique stance. Although it looks more compact visually, the designer's clever placement and carefully crafted lines make the body of the vehicle muscular as if it were about to explode powerfully at any moment. The large-sized hurricane-style wheels attract attention. In addition to being unique in design, they also add a strong sporty style to the vehicle. When viewed from a distance, the vehicle's extraordinary power performance is immediately noticeable, as if it invites its driver to a passionate adventure. It is worth mentioning that the new Explorer is presented sincerely and the ST version, specially designed for consumers looking for a high-end driving experience, has been launched. This version is equipped with unique sports accessories, radical front and rear surround design, sporty side skirts and an effective brake system, taking the vehicle to new heights in terms of both appearance and performance. At the rear of the vehicle, the smoked L-shaped taillights and the folded rear wing offer a vivid visual experience. The dual exhaust design and rear spoiler complement each other, which not only increase the power and aggressiveness of the rear, but also fit well with the market positioning of off-road SUVs. The interior of the new Explorer has an eye-catching appearance when you get in the vehicle. Although the overall design is somewhat traditional, the full LCD instrument panel and floating central control screen create a strong technological atmosphere in the vehicle. The advanced electronic gear system is easy to use and full of future potential. The powerful SYNC Plus 3.0 intelligent connection technology is used in the in-car system, which supports operations such as voice control and navigation. It is also equipped with the L2 assisted driving function, making driving safer and more comfortable. More importantly, the new car has a six-seater design that perfectly balances comfort and practicality. Whether it is daily commuting or family travel, it can easily meet various needs and greatly enhance practicality. In terms of power configuration, the new Explorer continues the classic line and is equipped with a 2.3T turbocharged engine with excellent power performance of 213 kilowatts maximum power and 445 Nm peak torque. Perfectly matched with the 10-speed automatic transmission and four-wheel drive system, the vehicle has excellent power and off-road performance. Since the power distribution is smooth on urban roads, it is easy to cope with traffic jams and overtaking situations. In the wild, the powerful torque output combined with the four-wheel drive system can easily cope with various complex road conditions. Whether it is daily commuting or outdoor adventures, the new Explorer can easily meet all kinds of conditions and provide its driver with unparalleled driving pleasure. In general, the new generation Ford Explorer has made a comprehensive technological upgrade. The exterior design has a robust and unique design that reflects the charm of off-road vehicles. The interior layout combines technology and practicality, while the six-person seating arrangement meets different needs. In terms of power performance, the 2.3T engine, 10-speed automatic transmission and four-wheel drive system are perfectly combined, making urban commuting and off-road adventure seamless. The Ford brand's deep understanding of the off-road SUV market is fully reflected in these developments.